snake bone buster again. See the smile right here? Wanna know why I'm smiling? Right here in my hand. Took over 9 months. What you see on the front of that gun is a Gemtech Outback 2D. Took 9 months with a trust, and my trust came back to me once to get this little item on the front of this gun. And unbeknownst to me, I had no idea that we would pass suppressor hunting this year. But since we did, it worked out for me, because right here, 5 weeks out from squirrel season, I need to dope my 16-inch American in with this suppressor to see how it does, so it'll be ready for opening day. So why don't y'all join me on that journey? We'll see what it does, and I want to see how quiet this thing really can be. Squirrel season should be excellent this year. Stay with me. All right, let's do some shots at 50 yards and see how well this thing groups. The fella I bought this from told me that it should tighten things up. Maybe we'll find that to be true. $50 yards. If I can stay inside that inch orange dot, I'll be very happy. That ain't gonna cut it. That may have been me. Heart rate's up right now. But it is quiet. Working. Touch on the high side. Those touched. Telling you, the squirrels are gonna have some trouble this year. Well, I think that shows total promise there. And this suppressor on the front of this gun is going to make squirrel season very, very fun this year. So I know you just saw that group that I shot with those Eeleys. Well, I wasn't real particularly impressed with that, and I thought it was the first shot. The first shot that went off was me. Well, I shot another group. It wasn't me. It's the first shot. So rimfires are a game of what ammo does your gun like? And I've got some SK subsonics here, and I'm going to show you what a group of those will do. Really impressed. Originally with no suppressor, I was going to go with the Eeley subsonics for this season because they were shooting great. I add an attachment to it, changes things up. I'm going to change ammo, and you will be able to see this group. You're going to be impressed, I think. I am. You basically can cover it with either a nickel or a dime at 50. That's good shooting for me. Another nice thing about having this suppressor too, you don't have to wear any hearing protection. It's friendly for everybody. Alright, let's lay them down at 50. In the orange dot. Alright, where we want? I can pile the rest in around there. It's going to be good to go. It's still in the orange dot, baby. That's a squirrel all day long. A little bit high, but we're still in that orange dot. Now I'm sure this gun can shoot tighter than that, but I'm not going to waste the rest of the ammo to find out, because that group right there will kill a squirrel, and that's what I'm looking for. I just want to jump in here and show y'all that segment before we ended this week. Look forward to putting out some more journals. You can visit me at www.squirrelhuntingjournal.com. I'll be detailing all my stories there, adding pics all the time, and any type of useful information you're looking to find, you can find right there. I appreciate you joining me for this segment. I think I'm going to do a little bit more shooting. This thing makes me smile. We'll see y'all next time.